Testing, testing. All right, folks. I am only going live, not to really talk. I want to document this phenomenon with the lightning again. This is so weird. The other day, I found the lightning was in 2 locations in the world. One was off the coast of Florida. Let me get myself out of the way here. Hang on. There is so much electrical charge that I'm watching, and I think I caught it earlier when I was cut off. There's a video I did earlier today, an update on this storm, and I saw the lightning coming in then, and then my computer overheated again. Look at this. I'm just going to be quiet for a minute so you can hear it. Hear the popping. And I haven't backed. I was just shutting the computer down for the night. Look at the lightning. Look how it's not even normal lightning. Look how it's sizzling right here. Wrong button. And when I was showing the lightning earlier, my computer died. If this dies again, third time's a charm. Look at this. Let's just watch for a minute. That's one hell of an electrical storm. And notice there's these weird red things it's leaving in the ground afterward. Look at this. There's something wrong, man. Losing my signal. What the heck is going on here? I just went down to 25 frames. Nothing's changed from earlier. Actually, there's probably less people on the internet around here. It's after midnight. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I have no signal. I'm probably all choppy right now. For some reason, I'm losing my signal. I'm down to yellow now. Red. I have no signal. I'm at my desk where I always do the same broadcast. So it's just funny how these signals get cut off when you're over a target, it seems like. Literally here. Look at this. What? This is not lightning. Lightning isn't. This storm went by me. I didn't see one bolt of lightning. Now, I need to hear from people. Are you seeing lightning in the sky on tonight's storm? What was that? Did you just see that? The quadruple strike? Watch this. I think it's replaying it. Oh, right here. What is that? It's drawing circles around it. Hang on a second. Whoa. Hold your horses there, Frankie. Look at all the lightnings. I'm slow motion in here. Look how many lightning strikes are there in the middle of the screen right here. For real? Watch the end here. Something is really creepy, man. I just got a feeling something. I don't feel good today. And I wonder if the air is, I don't know if we're doing it or if it's space or if it's NASA, if it's aliens, if it's whatever. There's something changing the energy around us. And some days you could feel it and some days you don't. Where is the spot where it freaked out? Dog's acting weird tonight. He's barking at shit that ain't there. Look at all these lightning strikes. Now that piece is gone. I'm slowing it down here. Where's the piece I was looking for that freaked out on the radar? This is not normal, dude. Come on. I'm looking for the spot. It was over on the bottom left that drew the 3 circles around it so I could zoom in on it. So I keep oh, right there, right there, right there, right there. Look at this. Look what it did to the, I freeze it. What is it doing to the radar? Look at the circle. Can you see this? What happened to the radar? Why is it doing these circles like this? I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting for the delay here. I'm hoping I caught this. Now the rings are gone. Look at that. I hope I caught this. I'm waiting to see. Hang on. It is really, really slow. I'm like a minute behind here. Oh, oh. It left black dots on the screen. Look at this. It's like it burned my screen. Yeah, here we go. It's finally catching up. What is this, a 2-minute delay? There it is. I need to see if you're seeing this. Yeah, you can see. I think it skipped the part where the rings were coming out. Did they cut it out? Look how choppy this is. Yeah, I'm in the red again. I'm losing my signal. If anybody sees this, pass this around. Look at my lightning from the other night in Australia, in Florida. 3 nights in a row during the vortex. It was like a magnet to the jet stream. You can see it. They were shooting off all this, what was registering as lightning on the radar by Florida off the coast. Probably a ship just out of range where nobody could see. Guessing. Then, at the same exact time, in Australia, pop, 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 those 2 spots in the world were going off. And the jet stream in the north was going towards that Florida one, literally pulling directly to it. And the one in Australia was going up, pulling it to its spot where that lightning, or whatever was registering as lightning was. Let me see something here. Is this one not showing it? I guess this one you can't see lightning. I'm trying to go to another lightning radar and see if it's showing up. I just keep documenting, that's all I'm doing. We could all put this together at some point in the future. Let's just get it documented and we'll figure this out later. Look at, there is a ton of lightning in this little ice storm, huh? What do these circles mean? Like southern Illinois especially. I think it's warmer down there, so maybe they're getting a thunderstorm. That's a lot of lightning for February something, 6 maybe. What's this thing, man? Is that what is that, a station or something? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. I never use this site, so I don't know. Let's see if there's lightning in the storm up by me. Now this thing's not registering it. That's why I don't think it's lightning. Now there's actual lightning in southern Illinois, according to this, but there's no lightning up here where this is showing there is. How strange. Look at this. Something is affecting windy.com's radar. Let's see, hang on. Look at this. It's like a bug zapper going on. Well, if anything, look, it's out here way off of Florida this time. The other night, it was just like near the Bahamas. Between Florida and the Bahamas, there was all this lightning. No clouds, no radar, nothing showing up. Japan is getting this. Look at, they're blurring out radar again. Why are they doing this? Last time it was Australia. Right here. Here we're getting those weird clouds. It looks like in Australia. Here. It's freaking hot there. Look at 106. If this is going to be our summer coming, they're losing thousands of farm animals down here because it's so freaking hot. Here, look at this signal right here. Look at anybody who's watching my channel. There it is. There's that weird anomaly. It was in this corner of Australia. You gotta look at my other video. There's no clouds here. Why is Melbourne lighting up like this? I think this thing's picking up signals that aren't lightning. But it thinks, oh, it's close to lightning. It's some kind of frequency that this radar thinks is lightning. Now, if you're in Melbourne, by chance see my video, It's a Small World, let me know where you have, oh wait, webcams, let's see. Let's see if we can see it right now. Melbourne. That's, I don't know where this is. Are they having thunderstorms? This is 5 minutes ago. See if there's any lightning on the webcam. I don't see anything. What a world we're in. We can just zoom in. Let's take a look at Australia. Unreal. What a different world. Alright. Well, there's a lot of electrical activity going on, which is part of life. However, when you see it with these storms, especially an ice storm, it's kind of creepy. In my Wake Up with Wags video I just did earlier today, I was trying to disconnect myself from a live stream that I don't know how I was still in because the computer shut off and somehow it got stuck on. As I'm talking, just doing a test, seeing if I can kick myself off my own stream, I use YouTube's own screen, so there's no pictures or anything. I don't have access to that on that. You'll see me look at my phone, and then I show you something on the phone, and what happened earlier today when I was making a video about cooking. Yeah, I'm weird. But anyways, a word, a phrase that I had used while making a, so far, private video, it's not been published. Advertising companies know what I was talking about in my own video that has not been published. Thus, and the topic is so off the wall, there's no way this is a coincidence. There is no coincidence, is number one. But two, even if you thought there was, it's not. There's nobody. Here's that. Look at, here's the radar blacked out. Here we go. Looky, looky. They're sneaky, sneaky. This electric anomaly always has these brown, whatever brown is on the radar scale, which isn't on the scale. If you look here, there's no brown down here in the bottom right. It goes purple to blue. None of this. This is being smudged out, as they say in England. Yeah. They're smudging something here, and the whole backside of the storm is being smudged out. This is the shit that went through here earlier. So ours is going that way. So, I don't know what we're looking at, people, but I know I found something. I just don't know what it is. Here's more smudged out. All around these weird lightnings. I just did a video. There's about a 1/4 inch of ice on the tree out back here. I don't know if I'm going to update it or not, but it wasn't as bad of a storm as they thought. Whoa, look at this one. Why are they smudging radar again? Right here. Havana, Peoria. If you live in Peoria, and it's 1:30 in the morning right now, Chicago time. Anybody that lives in South Peak and Groveland, Washington, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, on the backside of the recent storm, just west of Bloomington. If you're in Bloomington, any college kids up late listening. North of Springfield. Springfield, you're getting it almost right now. It's just north of you. You got these weird brown clouds on the backside of it. If anybody, by stupid chance, hears this in the next half hour, by chance, and you can look this radar up and you see this brown shit, get a picture of your west sky. I have a folder called Knock the Loose in Clouds. I don't know if that's really what it is or not, but they are self-illuminating, so I'm going to call them that. And every night I got Knocked Loose in Clouds in my west sky. Sometimes it goes to the north, northwest, and straight north. Exactly in the path right now of this brown smudged out shit. A couple nights ago, it had a reddish for 2 nights in a row, and I tried taping it. It doesn't show up. So I don't know if I need an infrared filter possibly. Am I seeing part of the infrared spectrum? Maybe a little bit close to it. There's a red tint to the normally white plasma. It sounds crazy, but you gotta see it. You look at my videos, they're there. You look up DeKalb, Illinois. Go west of DeKalb. There is not shit out here except farmland. So there's no white lights and power transformers lighting the sky up like in Manhattan for miles and miles. The clouds have a plasma look, and they're white at night. They glow. And you'll find videos all over the world now. So I'm not the only idiot that's doing this. I feel like one, because when you show people, there's like, the sky's always lit up at night. It's never been dark at night. Now, I got pitch black west sky, the heart, the deepest part of the polar vortex. Go back, see my polar vortex quick clip. It was black as black. Look at this strikes. Boom, 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 all the way up. Look at this. What I don't like is this smudging. They're covering up radar. And I heard, I don't know which channel it was. I was just like it was randomly playing in the background the other day. One of these channels said that they found out the military had blacked out radar for a few days this week. Last week, something like that. I don't know what video it was. If anybody knows that, put it in the comments, do something. What were they talking about? Somebody said that there was a military training. Something was going on during the time that I was finding those smudges and the weird lightning. It was within a day or so of that. So if they had turned the radar off, which this looks like it's turned off, why? And then about a week before that, remember the news about the chaff? The military was dropping chaff all over the country, or over the East Coast, whatever it was. People are seeing stuff. We need to get it all together in one, like in a series, somehow chronologically put these pictures together. And maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll go on that and look for other videos with the date, time. It's going to be a lot of work. And if we could somehow do it together, if you run into other videos, bookmark it, and then just make a 2-minute clip. Here's Scott's clip. Boom. Then another guy found some brown clouds. Maybe he doesn't even know the brown clouds are an issue. But you see radar from another channel, and you see that brown shit. Start watching. Be the eyes and ears for each other. Let's start putting these puzzles together. What are they doing? Because I watch radar. I watch the space radar, if that's even real. And I don't recall these smudge marks. This brown shit. Lightning, yeah, you get lightning. In an ice storm, probably pretty rare. But it's not even at the front line. It's still warm where this is happening. It's not like it's the ice and the warm air hitting, maybe make a thunderstorm. I don't know. It's quieting down though. Well, I thought it was. We got lightning popping over here again, off the coast of the East Coast, Southeast Coast, hitting Southern Illinois all the way to where I'm at, supposedly. Could this have something to do with the magnetic field that keeps making the news? Let's take a look at the magnetic shield right now. Shit happens, let's start looking for weird things that nobody watches. This is the magnetic field line. It's like a compass on your computer, except it's being done by real scientists. And it looks quiet. The other day, this was, you want these where the two crosshairs meet, that's where it's supposed to be, that's when it's stable. You'll see days where this looks like a kid with a crayon, just colors all over it. So there's days that it's rocking. Right now, it's quiet. Alright, so let's see if there's any events on the sun. I didn't check the sun today, so I don't. Seems like on cloudy days, you forget about it. Solar flux 70, sunspots. There's no geostorm that I see. I'm getting tired. Ah, there's a big gap missing again. Here we go. Missing data is a lying data. Because when you hide shit, you're hiding it for a reason. Ah, damn that idiot. I just drank a half a liter of water. Good shit. So by morning, see this chart? They're going to zoom in just on the part that's visible. You won't see any of the space. Watch. This is the trick they've been doing. Right here, you see, oh my God, there's hours of information missing, right? From 9 till right here. Right here. So 9 o'clock to almost 2100. 21, 20, 19, 18. 6 o'clock tonight. That's 9 hours. This is a 9-hour gap of missing data. Oops, it broke, right? What happened just after 9 a.m.? What time are they using here? UTC. Yeah. So 0900 UTC. Well, oh, what's my site? I can't think of the site. I'm too tired. I'm not even gonna get into. You know what? I'll be up for an hour. By tomorrow morning, we gotta document it right now. Let's document it one more time. I'll show you in the morning that they're gonna zoom in, and this 8 hours won't even show up. So the numbers are gonna be bigger. Okay, and it won't be 9 till 21. It will be 1800 forward. They're gonna scrub all this. They don't want you to know this. But there's probably nobody there right now. So by morning, this will be shrunk. They zoom in. See what I'm saying? They zoom in, so you're only going to see this right half of the screen. Got it? Let's see tomorrow if I'm right. The wind speed actually went down. So the wind speed was almost 400 kilometers a second. Now it's down to like 300. So I don't know what happened there. Maybe their computer's broke. Who knows? Whatever. One more time with the lightning. Oh, I'm going too bad. I got videos I still haven't even tagged or anything. I don't really care tonight because storms turn out to be nothing. So, and I may be doing a write up on this dude here. If anybody's interested. He's doing the Illuminati 666, which you figure he's got to be a Mason if he made it this high as an inventor. This is the guy who invented, thanks to info from a close source of mine, wanted me to look this up, in this person. He, did he invent quarks too? This guy's got everything. This is one of the most famous inventors of all time. I'd never heard of him. He invented this geodesic sphere, figured it out. He invented the geodome house. Fuller home in Carbondale, looks like. Let's take a look. That's cool. Exterior of a preserved prototype geodesic home. Design. I hear these are super strong too. Like, because of the triangles. Imagine a Mason in triangles, right? And here's the 5-point, the Dodge Chrysler star. You know what I mean? Wink, wink. You gotta love these secret societies, man. They got their shit, and they got smart people. Obviously, he invented 1,000 things, so whatever. Power to them. They worship Satan, I guess. He gave us geodomes. What are you gonna do? So, whatever. So I might be doing a story on him. Probably more on the symbolism he taught than geodome. And then you wonder, how did these guys get this information? If they had it, like in the vaults of the Vatican, like they say, 400 miles of books that never been seen by peasants like us? Is this why the internet has made this great awakening, where people are now waking up? I keep asking myself, how come these young people are so awake? And it took me my whole life, twice their age. Well, you know what? The internet. They grew up with the internet. So they've had this info their whole life. Just coming at them, 100 miles an hour. We grew up in a time where we were still hitchhiking and it was safe. Kids go trick-or-treating by themselves. It was a different world. So then, us old people now are learning this internet shit, but we're way behind the young. This is why the young are so far advanced. This is why they're giving up on they don't want to participate in the money system and all the scams that were set up before. The scams for the people were easy before because we didn't have access to no information. So now there's a big push to control the information. So when you see it's the alt media and the alt news that get rid of, no, they don't want you to know too much shit. And we already know a lot. And I think that's what the problem is. That's where all this control and clamping, that's why that clown that supposedly manages, invented, no less, Twitter. He didn't invent. He couldn't wipe his ass. I mean, he can't even shave. How's he going to wipe his ass? So, this guy invented for real? Really? What'd he do it in 8th grade before he dropped out of school? He's probably one of those, oh, he dropped out of 7th grade. Like all these other billionaires. Really? So why do we not ask why no more? Come on, man. This guy, cool invention. You use this triangles for good instead of every freaking commercial or every